For the flippers, you're going to start off with the magic ring. In round 1, you're going to insert 6 single crochets into the magic ring. So that's going to look like this. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You're going to pull the ring tight, and in the next round, you're going to increase in each stitch around. So, going into that first single crochet here, you're going to insert 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Insert your hook into the next single crochet, and then insert 2 single crochets. And increase all the way around by inserting 2 single crochets in each stitch. This will give you a total of 12 single crochets for round 2. For round 3, you're going to single crochet and increase all the way around. You can use a stitch marker or just loop your yarn tail forward to the starting place of the next round. In that first single crochet, I'm going to just insert a single crochet. In the next one, I'm going to increase with 2 single crochets. So let's repeat that around. That's 1 single crochet and an increase. 1 single crochet and an increase. 1 single crochet and an increase. And all the way around. When you get to the very end, you're going to have 18 single crochets for this round. What you'll do at this point is you're going to fold your circle that you've made in half, like so. We're going to be crocheting across the top opening of this semicircle here. So to do that, you're going to work into both layers. You're going to insert your hook into 1 stitch in the front and then 1 stitch in the back here. And you're basically going to do a single crochet and increase all the way across. Here's what it'll look like. In the first stitch, I'm going to just single crochet. The next stitch, watch as I go through both layers here. I'm going to do an increase, so that's 2 single crochets in the same spot. Then in the next stitch, going through both layers, front and back, I'm going to do a single crochet. The next one, I'm going to do an increase. Single crochet, increase, single crochet, increase, and a single crochet at the end. So after you go all the way across, you'll notice that you have this little semicircle shape, and you can go ahead and cut your yarn tail. Leave sort of a long yarn tail so that you can sew this little flipper to your turtle. And you're just going to also weave in the starting yarn tail here. So I'm just gonna kind of pull it through my piece like so. So that's that for a flipper. You're going to make 4 of these little flippers, and they will be sewn to the body later.